I have heard about this new Instagram app called Threads. Let's dissect this thing. So, first and foremost, I heard about Threads a while ago. They were talking about some kind of Twitter feed type of deal, and it would kind of be like it's text app, I guess, for Instagram. As an Instagram person and a social media manager, I always want to be on top of the trends, but I try to let things fizzle out a little bit before I jump in. But I wake up this morning and that's all I am seeing all across my feed. Okay. So I'm on my Facebook right now. And earlier, here it is. Threads made me realize who I was and wasn't following on IG because I last posted 15 months ago on both my accounts. That's your advantage or disadvantage there because you can import the following you already had. All right. So people are already on here talking about Threads. Are you on Instagram? Now people are worried about getting follows on Instagram, right? So Threads has literally revived what people are doing on Instagram. I saw a post that said that there are over 10 million downloads already for Instagram Threads. So, like normal, I go onto Instagram because I want to see what people are talking about on Instagram. And I couldn't believe how many people were talking about it. All right. So, if I go in here, my good friend Martin had posted something about Threads. Then, Alas Marketing Services post something about Threads. Like everyone is talking about Threads, you guys. And I think it's so amazing. And I haven't seen or heard anything negative about it as of yet. Cool. Let's open it up since we're downloaded. Why am I so excited? Okay. Log in with your Instagram account. Okay. So, as a social media manager, I have tons of Instagram accounts. There I am. Save password, save my face. And I am verified. So, I wonder if I'm going to be verified on Threads. All right. So, it says name, Rashida, social media, and I'm still verified. I have the blue badge. Write your bio. I'm going to use the same bio that I already have on my Instagram account. I am not going to change it. Okay. I very much so want to keep it the same. So done. We're there. And it's asking me to add a link. So yay, we get to use links. Yay, yay, yay. All right. So I'm going to do my link tree, my links.co and social with Rocky.app. So I'm going to type that in here. Social with Rocky.app. Remove all this crap for tracking purposes. I don't need them to track me. Hit done. And oh, you know what, you guys? I just did this whole thing and it said just import from Instagram. All good. All right. So let's go next. Public profile. All right. So privacy. So do I want anyone on or off Threads to see my stuff, interact with my content, or do I want to have it private? I always say if you are a business owner, there's no reason you should be private. Who are you hiding from? Your money? No. All right. So let's go. Next. All right. Follow the same accounts you follow on Instagram. So what I'm going to say, why I'm excited about this is because this gives you the opportunity to now reset those you have followed and unfollowed. There are a lot of people we have followed just to be nice. We were like, for me, I'm like the Oprah of follows, you guys. So now I can literally pick through who I want to pay attention to and who I don't want to pay attention to. It's like starting Instagram all over again because I love supporting people, but I don't want to hear everybody's nonsense, right? You gotta be talking about some stuff. So it's a lot of people, you guys. It's gonna keep going. I'm gonna just follow all. I'm gonna do it. I'm following everybody. Okay. How Threads work. Okay. Now they're explaining it. Great. Powered by Instagram. Threads is a part of the Instagram platform. We'll use Threads and information from Instagram to personalize ads. Lo and behold, of course, they're using it to get data from us to personalize ads. Why wouldn't they? All right. The Fediverse. What is the Fediverse? Future versions of Threads will work with the Fediverse, a new type of social media network that allows people to follow and interact with each other on different platforms like Mastodon. I don't know what Mastodon is. I'll have to look that up. By joining Threads, you agree to the meta terms and Threads supplemental terms. Okay. Y'all don't be reading these terms. You need to read these terms. Okay. Read the terms. All right. Join Threads. I'm in there. Let's see what happens, you guys. All right. Threads would like to send you notifications. Sure. So as soon as I'm on here, you guys, people are already sharing stuff. Okay. Of course, because they were on their way before, way before I was. All right. All right. So we got some emojis here. Follow me on Instagram too. Everyone just keep in mind what you post on here. The data will last forever. Okay. So as I'm going through this is good. This is good. Okay. And what I really like I love freaking Miss Judy and Debrat. Okay. So she's on Threads, but as you can see, it is not a lot of people right now replying to celebrities on Threads. So I could pop in, because I'm kind of low key celebrity, and comment already. It says me looking at all y'all threads and commenting hearts because I'm mildly antisocial. I love it here so far. So, whereas she would not see my comments on her post on Instagram because she has so many followers, she might see it now. Somebody already mentioned me. You guys mentioned you in Threads. What up, Rocky? You guys, I'm so excited. I like it. I like it. And then on top of that, you can comment and heart on other people's stuff. You can repost on other people's stuff, and you can also share on other people's stuff. Let me just tell you, and Kurt the Connector's on here too. Listen, all my friends are on here, okay? And if anybody likes it, it looks like you can go in and follow those people. What I'm going to say is this. I think this is about to be bigger than Instagram, you guys. I think this is going to be bigger than Instagram. Now, let me just say this, okay? Before we really get into Threads, I would love, I'm not saying you can't be an expert at Threads, but I know there's going to be some Threads. I'm sorry, I'm getting notifications. I know there's going to be some Threads freaking experts out there talking about how do you monetize on Threads. What I'm going to say, okay, as me being an Instagram person, Instagram strategist, and social media manager, don't post the same crap you're posting on your Instagram, on your Threads, the same stuff you're posting on your Twitter, the same stuff you're posting on your Facebook. I want to say I'm going to use Threads like I was going to use Twitter because I'm not a fan of Twitter. Whatever I'm thinking, I'm posting. Okay. So I can't do it on Instagram because I'm having to do graphics and all kinds of stuff, but I can do it on Threads because I can put what's on my mind. Okay. So let's just look at the bottom options here. Okay. So there's home. This is where everyone is. There is search. Okay. So I can search just like you can on the explore page. There is the thread. So I'm going to make the threads. I'm going to say, hey, you guys. All right. And what I'm going to say is, let me post a picture to you guys. Oh my God. I could post my selfies. I could post my little cute pictures. Okay. So let me just should I do the one with the, no, I'm not going to post it. I'm going to post this one because that one's sexy. All right, so we're gonna post this. And I like that, you guys. I don't have to perfectly craft any kind of graphics. I can just throw something out there and post it. Okay, it don't have to be beautifully designed, all right? Then the heart, there's my notifications. Bali, whoever, just follow me. Ashley mentioned, hey, what's up, social with Rocky? Okay, there's some follow requests on here. That's interesting. And someone had already commented back to what I just posted. Okay. The Diva Speak followed me. Hey, you guys, the Instagram, da 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 da. He hearted it. He liked it. Replies, mentions, it separates it. What's up, social with Rocky? Hey, girl. Hey, you guys, I like this. I'm low key getting emotional. This is so much more like friendly than Instagram. It is a steady flow of conversation. Like I am texting the people on Instagram for a deeper connection. I think Instagram got it right, you guys. Instagram got it right. Good job. Good job, Instagram. All right, so moving on. All right, so then there is my personal profile as well for me to edit and to share my profile. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to share my profile to my social media broadcasting channel. I have over 200 something people in there. So I'm going to go here, social media tips. Hey guys. Hey guys, I know you heard. All right, so I'm going to put this in my community, but I'm also going to paste this into my Instagram group. Okay, I'm just going to pop that there, put a little pretty picture. Okay, and boop, and I passed it that. I'm Lord Jesus. People are going crazy on my threads, you guys, already. Like seriously, like this is crazy. All right. So post my little pretty. All right, I'm gonna post another picture there. I'm gonna post this picture with the wine, okay? Because I already done posted freaking. All right, boom. All right, so that's it, you guys. That's it. It's not even that hard to do. Doesn't seem like it's that hard. People are moving. I think I'm gonna be addicted. I ain't gonna lie. Like it's giving addiction right now. It's giving addiction. All right, so I'm gonna go back to my notifications because I want to see what I got going on. Okay, so okay, Flavor followed me. Yvonne, hey you guys. She commented. People are already following me back. I'm liking this, you guys. Comment your Threads ID so I can follow you over there. And yeah, you guys, comment your thoughts as well. Are you on there? What do you think about it? How is the flow? I'm a data person, I'm a tech person as well. What is it flowing like? Like, is it flowing properly? Is it smooth? Have you seen any glitches so far? I'm gonna keep playing on this thing, and yeah, I might be back for more. So see you later.